Hello everyone. Today let's talk about a common but often overlooked health issue known as fatty liver disease. I am Dr.G.B.Sattur and you are on another exciting new video. It's about the largest organ in the body, the liver, weighing around 1.4 kilos and performing a massive 500 vital functions of the body. Fatty liver disease is a condition in which excessive fat accumulates in the liver cells. The liver normally contains only a small amount of fat. However, the accumulation of fat exceeding 5% of the liver's weight is considered abnormal and can interfere with its normal function. There are two types of fatty liver disease. One is alcoholic fatty liver disease. This type is directly caused by excessive alcohol consumption and it may lead to chronic irreversible stage called cirrhosis of the liver or scarred liver. Now some of you may ask, Doctor, I don't drink alcohol, but how come my report says that I have a grade 2 fatty liver? The answer is you do have a liver disease although you don't drink alcohol. This type is called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease or NAFLD. Now it's called metabolic dysfunction associated steatotic liver disease or MASLD, M-A-S-L-D for short. Of course, this name is not kinder to the tongue, is it? MASLD is the leading cause of chronic liver disease and affects over 30% of the world's population. Fatty liver disease is typically graded on the extent of fat accumulation and liver damage. Grade 1 fatty liver, mild, the initial stage with minimal fat accumulation, 5 to 33%. It's often asymptomatic and can be reversed with the lifestyle changes. Grade 2 liver disease involves moderate fat accumulation. Some individuals may say they feel fatigue, they have abdominal discomfort. The stage may also be reversible and early detection and managing the risk factors. Grade 3 is severe, an advanced stage with severe fat accumulation in the liver exceeding 66%. This stage carries a higher risk of complications like inflammation, scarring, and cirrhosis. Now, what factors influence the progression of fatty liver? Obesity, excessive alcohol consumption, insulin resistance, and diabetes, and of course, genetics. Is sugar the new fat? You are probably right, because most of us eat lots of sweets, some of us almost every day. Now, what are the lifestyle changes? One, weight management, weight loss. Losing weight, especially if you are overweight or obese, is crucial for improving fatty liver disease. Even a small amount of weight loss, 5 to 7%, can significantly reduce liver fat, and losing 10% of more weight may improve even inflammation and fibrosis. 2. Healthy eating. Eat a variety of fruits and vegetables. Choose unprocessed grains and cereals. Lean proteins. Opt for fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines. And lean poultry, including healthy fats, which are found in olive oil, nuts, seeds, and avocados. Limit or avoid sugary foods and drinks such as candies, cakes, cookies, sodas, and fruit juices. Minimize the intake of highly processed foods. Limit saturated fats usually found in red meat and full-fat dairy, and avoid trans fats that you see in baked goods and fried foods. Of course, avoid alcohol. Regular consumption of 2 to 3 cups of black coffee every day has been linked to potential liver benefits, including reducing liver damage, especially in people with MASLD. Stay hydrated with plenty of water to support liver function. Excessive salt can increase the risk of liver disease. Regular physical activities such as brisk walking, gymming are important. Other lifestyle factors: control blood sugar, cholesterol, practice stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Avoid smoking or tobacco chewing. It can worsen fatty liver disease. In summary, a combination of weight management, healthy eating, regular exercise, and addressing related health condition is the most effective approach to manage fatty liver disease. Always consult your doctor for investigations like fibroscan, advanced blood tests, and of course, treatment. Take care. Bye.